Alright guys, welcome back to another one. Today I'm going to show you my pigeon tonic. This is a tea and a paste that I use in their water and in their feed that I think makes a massive difference for their health. So I hope you join me, and hopefully this will be kind of fun to watch and you get to learn how I keep my young birds healthy. I do give it to the parents. I've got a couple of little babies right here. This is too young. I don't give it to them when they're this age. But when they get close to weaning, I start giving it to the parents, and I start giving it to the young babies as they get ready to be weaned. All right. Let me know what you guys do if you make any of these things, if you make a tea for your birds, if you make any natural health concoctions, and let me know what you think. All right, so I love this tonic. It works super good. So I'm going to show you what I got here. This is what goes in the mix. Okay, so we have 3 medium-sized beets. We've got 2 heads of garlic and a handful of ginger and dried elderberries. That's all that goes in there. It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you how I make this stuff. One thing I forgot to put in here is cinnamon sticks. That usually helps a ton. I just don't have any right now. Move these off to the side. Actually, I'm going to do the beets last because they make a mess. Alright, so we've got garlic. All I'm going to do is crack them open. Mash them. Throw them in the pot. I'm not even bothering taking the skin off. Open them. Smash them. In they go. Alright, that's easy. Okay, ginger. I'm just cutting it into little cubes. Doesn't have to be any specific size, they just get cut. Because afterwards, we're going to use this stuff. I'll show you what we do. Ginger goes in. Beets go in. So like I said before, I usually put a couple of sticks of cinnamon bark in here. And the other item that I don't have is lemons. I usually squeeze 2 lemons in there. I slice them and I put them in the mix. And I really like using the lemons. It helps acidify and helps keep the pigeons healthy. So yeah, add cinnamon sticks and add squeezed lemon and put the lemon rind in the pot as well. Okay, now we got the elderberries. So we're going to put in something like 2 tablespoons. So we'll call that 1 tablespoon. We'll call that 2 tablespoons. I'm not really measuring exactly for this stuff. Okay, that's the mix. Now let's go put 2 quarts of water in there. All right, here's 1 quart. And 2 quarts. All right, let's throw this on this stove. Okay, we're just going to let this simmer for about 20-25 minutes. So crank the heat on. Alright guys, let's let that simmer. I'll be right back. Alright guys, it has been a few minutes since those were simmering on the table. This stuff is the liquid that I strained off of the concoction. And so that's the liquid portion. And then in here, I have all of the solid parts. That's all the beets and garlic and ginger and elderberry. And what I'm going to do with this stuff is I'm going to go put it in the blender. I'm going to blend this up so it's a paste. And then that's going to be the paste that I put in my feed. So I'm going to go do that. I'll put this in the blender and I'll be right back. All right, we got that all blended. This is what you end up with. Got ourselves a nice, pretty purple paste. All right, so I'm going to show you what we do with this. What we do with this is we take a couple of tablespoons, plant it down in the feed, mix that in. Okay, that's what it looks like. We got that stuff mixed in there evenly. We've got a thin coat on everything. And then what I'm going to do today is I just have a little bit of brewer's yeast. Good. And this is a container of my mixed up minerals. It's got natural pink mineral. It's got Vitaking pink mineral. It's got magnesium blocks. It's got all kinds of stuff mixed in there. So I just put that in, mix it in, and that's how I use that. Pigeons eat it readily. They love it. There it is. It's got the tonic paste, and then it's got the brewer's yeast and vitamins. So there we go. All right, so that's it for the feed. I'm going to put this guy in the fridge, and you just store him in the fridge till it's all used up. I use this maybe once, twice a week with the young birds while they're after they've been weaned and growing. Okay, and I've got my gallon of water, and I have the liquid portion of the mix. This is their tea. And in a gallon, I don't measure, but what I do is maybe half a cup, quarter cup. Turns it bright red. Looks like cranberry juice. Now, let's go give it to the birds. All right, so when I do use this stuff, I actually can tell a difference in the birds. They have a little bit better immune system. They're a little bit healthier. They have a little bit higher energy. They just overall are happier, healthy birds when I use this stuff. So I'm very curious if you guys use anything like this. If you have any recipes that are any different than this, I'd love to hear them. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.